Time plays such an important role in our lives. After learning the compound units of time and their conversions, addition and subtraction of time will be taught today. I wonder whether I'll meet Turbo Girl or Turbo Boy later.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Turbo Girl. Nice to see you again.
Me too. Teacher, after I have learnt about time and its units of measure in the last lesson, I am now more aware of the time spent on doing my work. I don't wish to waste unnecessary time. I'm so eager to learn more about time, and I can't wait to have another lesson on time.
Great. That's what we're going to learn today. We're going to learn more about the compound units of measurement, such as how to add and subtract them. At the end of the lesson, you'll be able to add and subtract different units of time. Let me ask you a question. Can you recall the units of measure and how to convert them?
Let me recall the different units for measuring time. They are second, minute, hour, year, month, week, and day. I also know the conversion for these units. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. As for the conversion of year to month, 1 year is equal to 12 months. Finally, the conversion of week to day. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Teacher, am I right?
Absolutely right. Let us start with the addition of time in compound units. In our daily activities, we often need to find out how much time we take to travel from one place to another, or how much time is left for us to complete our work or test. Of course, in order to find out how much time we have left to complete an activity, we need to know the current time and the due time. Otherwise, we won't be able to do any calculation of time. Let's say I boarded a train at Orchard MRT at 4:40 p.m. If I spent 30 minutes traveling on the train from Orchard MRT station to Clementi MRT station, find the time that I would reach my destination.
It looks like an addition question.
Yes, time doesn't wait for us, and by the time we reach Clementi, it would be later than 4:40 p.m. So we have to add the time spent traveling to the starting time. 4:40 p.m. can be written as 4 hours and 40 minutes after 12 noon. This makes it easier to do addition. We have to add 30 minutes to 4 hours and 40 minutes. Adding the minutes first, we get 70 minutes. Since there is nothing to add to 4 hours, the answer we get is 4 hours and 70 minutes. Turbo Girl, how many minutes is an hour?
1 hour equals to 60 minutes.
Good. So when the number of minutes in the answer is greater than 60 minutes, we have to convert it to compound unit, hours and minutes. 70 minutes is expressed as 1 hour and 10 minutes. This 1 hour and 10 minutes then is added to 4 hours to get 5 hours and 10 minutes. Thus, I reached my destination at 5:10 p.m. Turbo Girl, do you understand?
Yes, can I try a sum of my own?
Okay, add 1 hour and 55 minutes to 2 hours and 25 minutes and give your answer in hour and minute.
Minute can only be added to minute. So, add 55 minutes to 25 minutes and I get 80 minutes. Since 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, 80 minutes is expressed as 1 hour 20 minutes. Then I have to add up the hours. 1 hour plus 2 hours equals 3 hours. Combining the above steps together, 1 hour 55 minutes plus 2 hour 25 minutes equals 3 hours plus 1 hour 20 minutes equals 4 hours 20 minutes. The answer is 4 hours 20 minutes.
Brilliant! Let us move on to the next part of this lesson. we are going to learn to subtract time in compound units. Let us imagine that we're taking a train to Kuala Lumpur, the capital of Malaysia. The train is leaving Singapore railway station at 9:45 p.m. If we have to arrive at the railway station 30 minutes earlier, what time do we have to be there?
Earlier than 9:45 p.m. means before 9:45 p.m. Therefore, we have to do subtraction.
That's right. We shall write 9:45 p.m. as 9 hours and 45 minutes after 12 noon to make it easier for us to do subtraction. Firstly, 45 minutes minus 30 minutes, we will get 15 minutes. Thus the answer is 9 hours and 15 minutes. 9 hours and 15 minutes after 12 noon is 9:15 p.m. So we have to be at the railway station at 9:15 p.m. Turbo Girl, do you have any question?
So teacher, when we subtract, we can only do so with the same units, like minutes subtract from minute and hour with hour?
You're right. You can't subtract hour from minute. If you have a sum with two different units, you may have to do conversions. That is, changing all the units to the same before subtracting. The same applies for addition of time. I give you another example. 3 hours and 15 minutes minus 1 hour and 40 minutes. First, we subtract the minutes. However, 15 minutes is not enough to subtract 40 minutes, so we have to take 1 hour from 3 hours and convert it to 60 minutes. We then add it to 15 minutes to get 75 minutes. 75 minutes minus 40 minutes equal 35 minutes. Taking 2 hours to minus 1 hour, we get 1 hour. Combining the steps, we get the answer, 1 hour and 35 minutes.
Okay, I understand what you mean now.
Turbo Girl, do you understand today's lesson?
I think I do.
Why don't you do a recap for me?
Okay, I have learnt to do addition and subtraction of time in hour and minute. When I am doing addition or subtraction, I can only do so with the same units, like minute adds to minute and hour adds to hour. I will usually add or subtract the minutes first. Sometimes I have to do conversions to make my answers correct. For example, in addition, I have to convert minutes that are equal to 60 into an hour, or minutes greater than 60 into a compound unit, which is made up of hour and minute. While for subtraction, I may have to convert a compound unit into a single unit, such as from hour and minute to minute before I can solve it.
Good work, Turbo Girl. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye. See you.
Bye, teacher.